Hello, I'd like to introduce our EHV Emergency Workshop First Aid Board. The kit contains our 1 kV rescue hook. This electric shock rescue hook is used for the safe retrieval of victims of electric shock while safeguarding the life of the rescuer. The kit also includes our universal rapid response kit for battery electrolyte spills to neutralise nickel metal hydride battery and alkaline electrolyte, as well as to neutralise lithium and lead acid battery electrolyte too. The kit also contains our workshop first aid kit, a burn kit which comes complete with HF gel for hydrofluoric burns. The station also includes first aid information for high voltage electric shock, with space at the bottom for an emergency contact telephone number. You can also have it branded with your own company logo if required.